earlier after my carinderia incident, I went and just found a chicken cart on the street, and there was like balls on a stick, and I thought it was bola bola, but it was chicken heads. And so I bite into it, and I'm like, why is there bones in here? And then I saw the eyeballs, and I was like, oh, I'm eating a head. So I still tried to eat. I think I ate about half of it. So it was still good. If you fry anything, it tastes pretty good.
Our freebies last night. Our freebies last night from the game.
What's up, guys? So we're outside of the what church is this? St. Mark? We got San Sebastian, Cathedral San Sebastian here in downtown Bacolod. We just got a video from the inside. It's really pretty. Yeah.
It was so solemn because it was so silent in there inside.
Very silent. And then I noticed the statue of Jesus had abs, but like big abs. He looked like Captain America. Like he had pecs, he had bicep veins. It was a lot. It's very cute.
Currently, there's a lot of people right now because of the Masskara festival.
Yeah. Which we'll have to come back tonight and visit, walk around maybe.
Tonight.
Lots
after
of
my work.
Yeah, after your work. Maybe we'll do more barbecue. Okay, well let's go to work.
Yeah, let's go to work.
Bye.
What's up, guys? Well, red light. So we're in the hotel room. Well, I'm in the hotel room. Mary's at work. Just got back from the gym. We had a little carinderia for breakfast and stopped at the church for a while. I just got cooled off and got the plans to go find some food. Got a few places on my list. I'm also going to stop at some souvenir shops. Maybe we can pick up some pasalubong. There's a big bong bong. They make a lot of like desserts like piaya and stuff like that. So we're going to stop and try to get some of those. Maybe get a few treats for the kids. And then, yeah, see what we can get into. I've got 4 or 5 hours before Mary gets off work. So I'm going to eat a lot of food. Hopefully we get some good video. Hopefully we can hand out some business cards because I got a bunch of those. So we'll see you later. Bye. What's up, guys? We're at the festival again after Mary got out of work. I ended up going out and I went to 7 carinderias, but they were all sold out of food. So it was a little disappointing afternoon for me, but now we're together and we're sharing some isaw.
Patikon and isaw.
Patikon, which is like the gobbler, like the little thing from the chicken.
You also changed your outfit.
Yeah, I have a different color shirt, which will be as a first.
He's so guapo right now. Look at that.
I got the spicy
one.
It's good. It tastes like a chicken nugget. Like the batter is really good.
Mine is like tasty too. Do you want to taste it? Because it's
Sure.
it's
You got the sweet?
sweet one.
I'll try.
Sweet, right?
Yeah. And these were only 5 pesos. So like we had 8, so like 75 cents.
What about our drinks? You also like saw them.
Yeah.
We always saw the good ones.
I got a blueberry soda. It's got like yogurt or something in it. Super good. And then she got a Black Forest coffee with like chocolate and strawberry inside.
Which you ordered for me. It's worth, how much was it?
39 pesos.
39 pesos.
And then my juice was 35 pesos, so like $1 for both of them total. It's really good.
But yours is much more delicious. The blueberry.
The blueberry is really good.
I'm envious.
We can go get another. They're only 35 pesos, so.
But I'll be full with the coffee though.
Do you want to try yours?
Yeah. I did make myself pretty for him. Charot. Because he was so handsome right now. I didn't know that he changed outfit. the, ano?
The gobbler.
Uh-huh.
Is it good?
Good.
What does it taste like?
More or less still the same with the... Right?
It's a little like firmer. Earlier, after my carinderia incident, I went and just found a chicken just cart on the street, and it was like balls on a stick, and I thought it was bola bola, but it was chicken heads. And so I bite into it, and I'm like, why is there bones in here? And then I saw the eyeballs, and I was like, oh, I'm eating a head. So I still tried to eat. I think I ate about half of it. So it was still good. If you fry anything, it tastes pretty good.
It tastes pretty
That's
good.
why bulaklak is good. That's like pig butt. So it's all good. We're gonna enjoy the festival a little bit more. You can hear the music in the back. It's the Masskara festival, so everyone's got like Mardi Gras. It's like Mardi Gras masks, like big feathers and colorful stuff. So maybe we'll see a little of that later with some dancers or something. But
And we got some, ano diba? Pasalubong.
yeah, we got some magnets and keychains. I think that's it. And then some like piaya. I've only seen the regular piaya and then the ube, but they had calamansi piaya. So it's like a little cake with sour lime inside. So we'll see how that turns out too. But we're gonna get back to enjoying our meal. Bye guys.
We're here at...
Kidra's Cafe, getting coffee.
Yeah.
They have their own beans.
Just cafe. They grind beans. This is their best seller. Made a tour in the grinder.
Ah, nice.
They even borrowed your, I know, your camera.
I saw him holding up there. I was like, no. Should we try it?
Yeah. They even want to get your calling card. What's your ano daw? Age.
Did you get him the card?
Yeah.
Get Ate the card.
Face. Have a calling card. Ate, tara oh. One of our followers. Yeah. We've been walking at
It's super good.
Super good.
Yeah. Very mild. You want to try?
Now you love coffee because I love coffee. We got it for free.
Yeah, you buy some and they give you a taster. Very mild, right?
This is their baraco. Mild?
Well, it's not bitter.
Because they put a lot of water though.
Oh. You want to try some with brown sugar?
From cold drinks to from cold drinks to hot. I got coffee.
Take some.
Hydras Cafe.
I like this.
Baraco. I'm so sweaty right now. But I still have a lot of makeup.
The gel at Happy Skin stays on forever.
Stays on forever. Even if I'm sweating a lot.
It's good with the sugar. It's very hot to be drinking hot coffee though. How much was the half kilo?
$2.50.
So about $5 a pound.
Yeah. But I think that would be a lot of, drinking coffee.
A lot of cups of coffee. Yeah.
When I go to your place, you'll be like, you want some coffee? Get in the cart.
He's getting a little ride around. Okay, we're gonna enjoy the coffee. We'll be back.
What's yours, babe?
Huh?
What's
I'm
yours?
good. I don't want anything.
You're good?
Or I grab me a couple of random things, which is fine.
Okay. Kuya says it's 15, but it's 2 for 30.
How many are you getting, baby?
This one.
Just one?
This one.
You gonna give me some?
Oh, that's why I was asking you. We'll have some dirty ice cream at night. Kuya, magkano yan kuya? 15? Ito? Same lang ba? Okay lang yan, i-video kita. Say hi! O, diba? Dito lang si kuya, sa market. Oh, 15, you want?
15?
One? Yeah.
What
We'll get
flavor?
one?
Ubi,
Ube?
Ube.
mango, strawberry.
Strawberry. Ooh. We'll do ube?
Yeah.
Do you want ice cream? Do you want ice cream? Gusto ice cream?
Want ice cream ba daw?
I have two.
Ah.
That's flavor, three flavors.
Sure. Yeah.
We'll try that 3 flavor, kuya. Ikaw, anong gusto mo? Ha? Ice cream? Ano flavor gusto mo? Ay, ano nga yung flavor mo, kuya?
Mango, ube, strawberry.
Mango, ube, tsaka strawberry. Mango. Ah, mango. Katulad ko, mango. Her favorite is mango. We'll get something for you, ha? Food lang, wag lang money, ha? Ah. Kuya even tried to.
So beautiful.
Yeah. So beautiful, like him. So pretty.
Just big.
Big. Ayun, oh. Mami binibigay ni kuya sa'yo, oh. Oh. Ah. Anong sasabihin?
Thank you.
Ha? Say thank you to kuya, oh.
Thank you.
Huh?
Ano hindi niya narinig?
Thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you. He's like, thank you.
100. 2 pieces, 100.
100. I'll take the change and I'll give you 100 still. I thought it was 15, not 50.
Ah.
I thought it was big for 15.
Oh. Why?
There you go.
We heard it wrong then. Thank you, kuya. Bingi pala kami. Thank you, kuya. We're eating 50 pesos ice cream di ay. Uy, not 15. We're both so bungol. But it was delicious, babe. At
was?
least the kid is happy to get some
I'm
ice
sure.
cream.
What kid doesn't want ice cream?
She doesn't want ice cream though.
She doesn't?
Yeah, but she was like, okay. But she really likes the mango flavor.
Ours is pretty. It's got like 3 flavors. Eat. Eat. So pretty. Let's go eat it.
Yeah. We're gonna go to the park and he's eating all the
It's really good.
very good.